कंफ्यूजन ही कंफ्यूजन है, सॉल्यूशन का पता नहीं। ये बातें एक विकेट पहले ही खत्म हो गई, क्या मैडम के भी अब तक पता नहीं। Okay, I would like to say some lines to one of my talented speakers, opponents. She has claimed all us like we are orthodox stupid. She might be right up to some extent, but isn't it ironic? She might be right up to some extent, but how ironical is it that we are being claimed by someone who is not even knowing that we are doing debate, not group discussion. Yeah, and also she has mentioned that she has clarity regarding her thoughts and still confused. How can you lie so much? How can you say such lies that you are also clear about your thoughts and also confused? Man, you are not. You are just contradicting yourself.
Okay, I am answering. Listen.
Even if you are learning English, that means you are copying the English speakers. That's why you are getting learning.
Okay, friend, I am answering your question. Listen.
Everyone is not here present.
I am just saying that if you are saying that copying is wrong,
Copying is the best.
Okay,
Copying is
yes,
the
you
best.
give example of
If you want to learn something, the best way you can copy others. When did you get the idea?
they are being explained by government, by the
If you compare rural areas women, then they are not in that
Let
much.
me tell you, during
Ma'am, I can say that you are
when we born,
wrong because
we first learn alphabets.
And if
How
we
we learn? By copying.
We learn alphabets. We
Yeah.
also
By copying others.
Okay, you learn alphabets first. Okay, just you said you learn alphabets first. You have to write.
Just give one answer.
Everyone learns
Okay,
first copying.
okay, friends. I think listen. Let me one question. Let me ask one question. Okay, listen.
Okay.
how can you say such irrelevant point to us that
listen. One question from my side. Listen, one of my former speaker or opponent speaker, Amanya Noor, has asked a very good point. Like we are practicing the caste system, and due to the not secularism, we are not practicing secularism. Due to which we are less confident, or you can say that you are confused. Listen, listen. That I'm making his point, making her point. Okay, let me ask question first of all.
Please quiet, please.
Okay, so how you are saying that you are practicing caste system are, but I think that in our constitution gives us right to be a secularism. Okay, and we listen. So I don't think that caste system is it will make a hindrance of our confidence.
Yeah,
I don't think that the casteism is a cause or root cause to be a confusion.
It is because when we are in such cases like you, have you heard about STSC, SC, OBC? Why do you have?
Okay.
If you
I have heard that is different. This is okay. Let me answer here. Okay.
if support you, ma'am, this is not supporting you.
Okay.
Just one question.
Okay, then let me answer first. Now you have asked the question. Let me answer also. This is not a way to speak. Okay, you have pointed out that SC/ST. It is basically why it has been derived SC/ST, OBC and all because of to give the reservation. Okay, so it will not give the confidence load. Yeah, it is based on the reservation.
people are confident that
Listen.
Different topics don't go.
No, actually, listen. Why?
So answer my one question.
Listen.
Only one question. Did you not get confused at the time of admission with should I choose or not?
No, it's not about confusion, ma'am.
It's about the confusion. Today,
It's just the way of choosing the best one for you.
you are taking suggestion from all the members of your family, and you are calling your friends. You are calling your friends.
Listen.
क्या शर्मा जी का लड़का ये ले रहा है, हमको भी यही लेना
No,
चाहिए.
If you are doing this, that doesn't mean every youth are doing this.
Just take the example.
What are you doing? What are you pursuing?
Okay, just consider.
Actually, I am confused.
So you are pursuing confusion.
Your current scenario that
Actually, I am currently preparing for the interview.
for what?
FCAT interview.
FCAT interview.
Yeah.
Where did you get the idea of FCAT interview?
Actually,
Guys, let her speak, please.
So let us for a moment, we can consider that you are confident.
Yeah,
So
yeah, we
what
are also
about-
stupid as well.
Okay, first listen now. So what about the case of suicide? They are increasing day by day. Globally, 8 lakh people.
Okay, I am answering you. Listen.
It's not
And
because
globally 8 lakh people attending the suicide every year. It means like each single people is doing a suicide in every 40 seconds. What about the cases of that? And it is double than the homicide.
Ma'am, it's not because they are confused. It's because
Pressure.
I am saying now, if you
because
are
they-
a family,
Okay.
Because parents are not supporting their
Listen.
and this fact.
Okay, let us answer. Okay, I am answering her question.
Ma'am, if you are saying that your parents
Why you are
are
not
supporting you, they are supporting your neighbors, then your parents, you need to change your parents. That's all. This is what I am telling you.
How can a person change their parent? How can a person change their parent? How can a person change their parent? That is not possible to change their parent.
Bro, listen.
You are talking
Actually,
about-
give on to say
If I give you
you need to change your parents.
If my parents didn't give me that-
You need to change the mindset of your parents. Thinking of your parents. Changing parents means you need to change their mindset. Changing parents means you need to give them knowledge regarding
Okay, listen, Shalini, I am answering your question. Okay, there could be a multiple reason for the suicide in all cases. Okay, there could be multiple reasons. It is not because of the confusion. They have lots of burden. They have work burden also. They have the stress problem also.
Changing their mentality.
It could confusion does not lead the stress. The confusion does not lead the stress, and it does not mean we can say that due to the confusion they are going to hang themselves.
Everyone, please. Yes, Supriya, please express. If you have the proper guidelines.
Okay, you are
But the
not
problem is-
not a student.
Let me tell you, without any pressure, without any pressure,
Let us speak.
it's like not any pressure. It's
It isn't just math that, if you give the definition of triangle, that a closed figure bounded by 3 lines in it, that is called the triangle. But it is not like when you talk about the political science and all, freedom brings the responsibility as well.
Okay.
There could be a lot of definition with respect to the situation.
that's good, but still you should have freedom.
So that means now if I have a knowledge, that means I am confused. I am eager to get a knowledge about everything. That means I am curious to get a knowledge, explore the things.
Yeah,
That is
explore the thing. After exploring all the things, are you able to figure out that?
whenever I was like, I was at the age of, whenever any person at the age of 12 and 13, they might have different thoughts, and when they become adult, it's obvious that thoughts get changed with respect
Yeah,
to
of
the
course.
time.
Yeah,
So if
it
you are
does.
confident, you have a single pattern,
No, ma'am, this doesn't work like this.
Okay, that like
Doesn't work like this.
okay.
Suicide case totally depend on the pressure, family pressure and society pressure. If you don't have any pressure, it's like it's not pressure cooker.
But the
Why you left your engineer? Why you left your engineer?
That's why I'm telling you.
Don't-
I felt
Because you are confused. If you
Yeah.
are
No, I'm not confused.
you are in your college.
I'm
You
not
are already mentioned that you are in top 10 college. You are
After
good at
medical-
academics, then why?
Okay, let me answer. Hello, friend.
Why you left your engineering? But
After-
simple answer.
Yeah,
Why did you
take
take
admission?
Okay, let me answer. Let me answer.
Then why you take
Listen.
engineering in engineering?
Listen, I am answering. Like she has asked a very intelligent question that why the people are getting suicide. Okay, I think. Listen, let me answer now first.
I'd like a one more question. You told about the secularism and caste system.
I have never. She has made this point due to the casteism. The people are being more confused. But I don't think that in our society, in our cultures, we are living with a very in a good way or in a very harmony. Okay, so we can say that we are not following caste system and all right now.
If you are sure,
She told that what changes according to the time frame.
Actually, you are
On that particular time.
That's why you
On that-
changing your career.
Now, let her say something.
I have a question for you. As you say, there is a pressure behind suicide. As you mentioned, the Sushant Singh Rajput, that time he has everything.
Yeah.
Then why he had committed suicide?
So what do you think? Is it the problem of success?
No,
Is it? So
no.
is-
There is a
Okay, what according to you is the reason?
There is the problem of pressure of something. I also even don't know about it. That what is the
if he
exact
if he has everything.
He has
then-
money. He has fame. He has.
Ma'am, what according to might be the reason? What according to might be the reason?
According to you, the same question I want to ask is that what do you
She is
think?
asking to you.
I'm
She must have something that.
So
That's why she
you want to listen from me.
That's why he actually asking.
One second.
Okay, can I answer?
Everybody know the reason of suicide of Sushant Rajput, and it was nepotism.
no.
Nobody knows that. Nobody knows that.
Okay,
But even success. रिजल्ट का फेलियर
Okay.
की वजह से नहीं था
फेलियर की वजह से नहीं था, but
So why should
confusion.
Okay, no, please. Yes,
I have a question for the engineer one. As he said, we can, as he said, we can give exam in 15 days and clear out only.
Any exam, yeah.
No, I am not talking about annual examination. I am talking
Have overconfidence, you can clear exam in 15 days.
he is talking about semester exams
Okay.
Okay. Semester exam is also that part of this studies. Okay.
Yes.
So as you said, we can pass it on 15 days. So don't you think you are falling, as your parents are told you to be an engineer? Like it was an overconfidence. You are not hardworking also. As you, by your statement,
By hard-
by your statement, you are not hardworking in 15 days. How can you?
So just think that how much I work within 15 days. Within 15 days we can pass. We
There
pass.
is a quotation.
Okay, after 4 years.
Actually we know.
if I know how to do smart work there is no need to do hard
Let us
work
speak.
if I know how to do smart work there is no need
Wow,
to
wow.
If
After
you
4
are-
years.
Yeah,
you are the youth, if you are the youth, then why 48% of engineers are in because they are following the trend.
lack of job he is talking about exams
Everyone is going in the hard. If he is doing engineering, I will also do. I will do that.
what is it?
No, you are deceiving that is not our
What are you doing?
Today, not everyone is following engineering.
Okay.
I have a question.
Okay, I want to answer your question. Listen, you said that the number of the engineers are being unemployed, okay? But it is not because of the confusion, okay? It is because of the lack of job and lack of opportunity. That is different thing. Listen, that is different thing. And the students who is completing the graduation from which institute, it is depend on their institute and listen, and about their project work and also, okay? So it is not associated with your confusion and confidence. It is a positive point that these students are able to complete the examination within 15 days. So it is the best quality of the individual that he can do that.
I would like to add on to his point with the example that if there are 15 chairs and we are about 50 students, how will we sit in that 15 chairs? We cannot do.
Not possible.
In the same, it's not possible. It is not because of I have seen
that's after doing
It is a
engineering
completely different thing.
48% engineers are
Unemployed,
unemployed.
yes.
But have you heard about 50% engineers are working in public servant?
What about that?
Have you ever watched UPSC result?
What?
Let me answer this.
Engineers choose their career in UPSC.
because they are
Listen, why they are switching on? Listen, why they are switching